In this video we will discuss on how to delete the elements of a tuple. As tuple are immutable, so the elements in a tuple cannot be deleted. If we try to delete any element of a tuple, then we get an error message as tuple object does not support item deletion. However, we can delete a tuple entirely. The del keyword can be used to delete a tuple entirely. The syntax for delete is del keyword followed by name of the tuple. However, if there is a requirement to delete the element of a tuple, then there is a workaround which can be used as: first we can convert the tuple into a list. Once converted into list, then we can delete the required elements from the list. Once done, we can convert the list back to tuple. So, in this way we can delete the elements from the tuple if needed. Let's test the deletion of tuple elements using a program. A tuple named tuple A is initialized with 4 values as A, B, C, and D. We will mention the forward indexing of the values as it helps to understand the modification that will be performed. Character A has index 0 and final character D has index of 3. Print statement is added to print the complete tuple values. Once executed, we can see that all the values have been printed. As we know that we cannot delete any elements from the tuple, so let's try the alternative way for deleting the element of a tuple. Suppose we need to delete the elements C and D from the tuple. First we need to convert the list into tuple by using the list keyword followed by the tuple name in parenthesis. Next, the remove method is called for deleting the element C from the list. Print statement is added to check the list elements after deletion of one element. Next, the pop method is added without any index to delete the last element from the list, which is character D. Print statement is added to check the list elements after deletion of one element. When executed, we can see that the second print statement don't have the character C as it was removed using the remove method. The third print statement don't have the character D as it was removed using the pop method. Now, we will convert the list back to tuple using the keyword tuple with the list name in parenthesis. Adding print statements to print the updated tuple. We can see that the original tuple is now modified as 2 elements, character C and character D has been removed from it. So, this is the way in which the elements from a tuple can be deleted as a workaround, as tuples don't allow element to be deleted.